Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection problem with your LG earbuds. So as you can see, in my case they are visible for the available devices list, and when I tap on them once, take a look. As you can see, I can wait and I'll have this notification that my earbuds cannot communicate with my phone. And I'm going to show you two methods how to fix the problem. So first of all, I can recommend you to simply go back from this pair devices list and power off the Bluetooth on your phone. Next, I can recommend you to put both earbuds inside this charging case and then simply close this case for like 5 seconds. After that, just simply open it, and we have to use this button that is located on the right side. We have to click and hold this button until this indicator right here starts blinking quickly. Next, we have to release that button and put that case close to our phone. We have to turn on Bluetooth on our phone, then go back to the pair new device and take a look for available devices list. They appears another time, so let's try to pair them. Click pair, and as you can see right now we are successfully connected. And the second method is about to pair from the hard reset. So we have to click and hold this button until this indicator blinks 2 times red. There it is. As you can see, our connection disappeared. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.